Good morning, everybody. It's Jeff from Rust Bucket Valley Garage. I'd like to have a short conversation with you about parts, just parts in general, for your vehicle. Um, I had an occasion yesterday to take a long trip up to Lancaster and visit family out there. And on the way back, got a ABS light on the dash. So this morning when I got back, went ahead and put the code reader on there, and it turns out that the left front wheel speed sensor is acting up. It's going intermittent. So before you go replacing parts, and you have something like that, intermittent from a sensor, you got to make sure the sensor's tight and it's clean. And also, when it comes to wheel speed sensors, you want to make sure that your tires are inflated properly, because if they're not, they will actually be a different size. And if they're a different size, they're going to roll at a different rate, and your wheel speed sensors are going to be getting different inputs, and it's going to tell you or tell the analog brake system that something's wrong, and either the analog brake system is going to kick in or you're going to get a trouble light. So you want to check those things out first before you start loading the parts cannon. But it does turn out that the sensor is bad, so I will be replacing that. But the parts is what I wanted to exactly discuss with you about. So there is a local auto parts store here, and it's a major chain, and I am not going to mention their name, but I went in there for 2002 Chevy S10 front wheel speed sensor, and they had two of them available, and the price was $347. I thought that was just a little bit too much. So went out on the internet, I Googled the same information, and came up with wheel speed sensors that are AC Delco, which is used in all the GMs. And it turns out that the actual part I need, which is an AC Delco part, is about $28. So it really um, um, benefits you to take and shop around for your parts. Do not take and buy the first part that you find. Check around, see what the market is. Same thing for shopping with a car. If you go to this dealership and it's so much, you go to another dealership and it's so much, and it's different. Oh my God, I just saved $2,500. So shop around for your auto parts. And if new are too expensive, and you can get reliable used parts, by all means. We use a lot of used parts in our repairs. It's generally body panels, hoods, fenders, wheel rims, things like that, that are in really good condition, because it saves our customers a lot of money. So when we're doing a repair, so if you have, just for example, if you have a fender, a brand new fender will run you about $165, and that's primed, not painted, and that'll be brand new aftermarket. However, if you go to a boneyard, junkyard, salvage yard, whatever you want to call it, you can get the same part for $25. So same thing with the door shell, $482 for this vehicle. If you get one that is used, it will have all the components in it, it'll have glass in it, it'll have trim on it. You'll just have to change the lock on it and paint it probably, and save yourself a lot of money. You can get a door instead of 400 and some odd dollars, you can get it for 53, I think the latest one is. Okay, so I hope I've given you some useful information. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please subscribe and hit the notification button. You'll know when we take and do something next. See you next time.